Yo, what's up, guys? This is Jakobe. You already know me. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to use a Bluetooth headset or earpiece or headphones, whatever you want. Bluetooth AirPods. You can use all of those on a device while playing a PlayStation. And you may be asking, how do you do this? I saw it in the settings, but it said I couldn't do this. Well, this is the video on how to do it. First, you need a device like this one, and for obvious reasons, I'm recording on my main device. So now what you want to do is go to an app called PS4 Remote Play. It was made by PlayStation themselves, and what you just want to do is download that. Secondly, go to your Bluetooth, and also connect to the same Wi-Fi as your PS4. And if it's not working, then I'll show you. So now I'm currently connected my Bluetooth to my phone, and now this is third step. Take your controller, hit the share button and this button, and you should see it blinking. Now back to the phone. I want to hit scan, and then I'm going to see wireless controller. Now I just paired my wireless controller and my my Bluetooth headset. Go to the settings right here. Go to video quality settings and put it on low and standard. Those are the best settings. Also sign in. It's going to make you sign in, and that is mandatory. Now it's going to connect to your PS4 through the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so once you're connected using shared play, that's basically all that's left. And that is basically it. That is how you connect your Bluetooth and controller and microphone to your PlayStation. Any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. That is the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Currently, there is no other way to connect your PlayStation to your there's no other way to connect your Bluetooth to your PlayStation. This is the only way. Maybe it's gonna be in PS5, I don't know, but this is the best option that you have. Fuck, it ain't the best option.